Good morning to Principal Ma'am, Headmaster Sir, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we have gathered here on this virtual platform to celebrate the occasion of National Science Day. It's a good thing to let prayer be the first engagement in the morning and the last in the evening. To seek Almighty's blessings, I would like to call upon Parthok Prangeshrath of Class 8B for the morning prayer.
Here, join your hands and close your eyes as I recite the prayer. Our Father, who is in heaven, holy is your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us, and lead us not into temptation but deliver us from evil.
Thank you, Partho. To remember our duties towards our nation, I would like to call upon Srijata Murmu of Class 8B to lead us in taking the pledge.
Good morning, one and all present over here. Today, I, Shrazita Murmu, am going to conduct the pledge. Please stretch your right arm while I recite the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I am proud of its rich and wide heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai
Thank
Hind.
you, Srijata. To remain positive throughout the day, Samriddhi Nand of Class 8D would enlighten us with today's thought of the day.
Good morning, one and all present over here. So, the thought for the day is science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the world. I repeat, science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the world. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Samriddhi. Now I would like to call upon Saranya Datta of Class 8B to enlighten us about National Science Day.
Over here. I, Sharanya Datta of Class 8B, am going to enlighten you about National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28 February each year to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman on 28 February 1928. For his discovery, Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. In 1986, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication (NCSTC) asked the Government of India to designate February 28 as National Science Day. This event is now celebrated all over India in schools, colleges, universities, and other academic, scientific, technical, medical, and research institutions. On the occasion of first NSD, National Science Day, 28 February 1987, NCSTC announced the institution of the National Science Popularization Awards for recognizing outstanding efforts in the area of science communication and popularization. National Science Day is celebrated in India every year on 28 February. The celebration also includes public speeches, radio, TV, science movies, science exhibition based on themes and concepts, debates, quiz competitions, lectures, science model exhibitions, and many more activities. National Science Day is celebrated to spread a message about the importance of science used in the daily life of people, to display all the activities, efforts, and achievements in the field of science for human welfare. It is celebrated to discuss all the issues and implement new technologies for development in the field of science, to give an opportunity to the scientific minded citizens in India to encourage the people as well as popularize science and technology. Thank you.
To mark the celebration of National Science Day, an inter-house Quiz competition has been organized for classes 7, 8 and 9. May I now request Quiz Master for the day, Rajiv Kundu sir, to take over the proceedings.
First round, and as our headmaster sir has said, let the quiz be the winner among all of us, right? Okay, first general round question for Ruby House. Which gas is used as a disinfectant in water? Which gas is used as a disinfectant in water? Ruby House, your first general round question.
Chlorine.
Chlorine.
The chlorine gas.
So it's the right answer. First right answer for Ruby House. Temperature is the density of pure water greatest.
3.98 degrees Celsius.
Sir, 3.98 degrees Celsius.
3.98 degrees Celsius. Abhishek sir?
Yes, sir. It's correct. Normally we take
Okay.
it as 4 degree, but 3.98 is the actual.
Okay, so after the first, okay, a big round of applause for all the houses, right? Over to our
Topaz House is in fourth position with 35 points.
Yes.
Emerald House is in third position with 65 points. Okay. Ruby House is in second
Yes, sir.
position with 75 points. And Sapphire House with 80 points is the winner.